selection operator, it actually looked like this. You have to put a dash and then this one, so it looks like an arrow. And let's see how it is useful and in which situation we have to use it. So first, here I have a main function, like normal main function. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a class. So to create a class, I go file, new, and then create class. And class name, we can put whatever the name we want. I'm going to just put Sally. So here I put Sally, and make sure you uncheck this virtual destructor and also hash destructor, both of them unchecked. And also here the header and implementation files shall be in the same folder. I check that one, and I'm gonna uncheck these two. Okay, once you have unchecked them, then create this one. Once you create, you have to get these two files, like sally.h and sally.cpp. And here, like in order to access the main in order to access the Sally function, Sally here in the main function, what you have to do is you have to copy this include sally.h and then paste it right under the main. Actually, it's already here, so I don't have to do it again. Make sure inside the Sally you have to have this include iOS stream and using namespace std. So I'm going to copy this one here and paste it right here. So Control V, and then this one Control C, Control C, and Control V. First, I'm gonna go ahead and write a code that actually we did before, so we can familiar, like here what we are going to do is we are going to look at the use of arrow member selection operator. That is something similar to what we did before. And here we have a comment inside of this body. We don't need that. I'm going to remove that one. And let's see what to write. So first we have main function and the dot h, and so inside the dot h you have a public function and a public function and a private function. Okay. Inside the public function, you can see we have called the Sally right here, and also I'm going to create a function, and also I'm going to create a new function in this CPP. I'm a sound opening. So okay, so there was a distraction. I had to reduce the volume. 1 second. I'm gonna go ahead and create a function right here. Void Sally, and here I'm gonna put print crap. Here what we are gonna do is we are basically gonna print something, print crap, and then in the curly bracket I'm gonna execute a program that will display something on the screen. That is called cout. Did someone say stick? Did someone say stick? End line. Okay, so here I created a code that will print something on the screen, and I think we have like too many of these curly brackets right here. I will remove one of them here, and I have to remove this one as well. Okay, now we have created a function Sally, and that will basically print something, print crap, and then what does it do? That actually prints something. Did someone say stick? So this is basically a class we created, and we declare something, like we created a function that will run something. And what we are going to do is in the main function we are going to call this class, And you know that whenever we want to call a class in the main function, what we do is we create an object first and then call them, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and create an object. So Sally is our class name, and the object I'm gonna name it as Sally object. And if you remember what we did before, like we create the object and then after that we put the object dot and call the function again. So Sally object dot print crap. That's a function we created. Print crap. So once you have done that, let's go and run this one and see if it works. So build and run. There are some error. Class Sally has no member named print crap. Okay, I'm gonna double check that one. It's a there's no print crap display. I had to declare the print crap right here as well. So in the public, in the .h file, that's header file, in the public, make sure you declare the print crap function here as well. So void print crap, and that's it. Now let's go and run again and see if we are getting any error. Okay, number 10, Sally object class Sally has no member print crap. Oh, the same thing showing again. Sally dot object print crap. So we created that one right here. And in the Sally.cpp we have Sally cout statement. Sally's. Okay, we have to put a bracket right here. This should be a function right here. So this is a bracket. Let's go ahead and run this one again. And this is bracket and this one is curly bracket. Okay, that's a mistake. This one is a curly bracket. Curly bracket closed, and I'm gonna remove one of them. Remove this bracket right here. So here this one is a bracket, regular bracket, and this one is a curly bracket. That's it. Build and run. Still has the error. Let's double check everything. So we have print crap void Sally this double dot print crap. Cout statement. Did someone say stick and line? And let's look at the .h file. In the .h file we have class Sally, and the class we have public we declare the Sally, and also void print. Oh shit, okay, I put double T right here. It's only one T. Let's build and run. There's another error, void Sally. Okay, this is actually a problem here is with the curly bracket. So there are too many curly brackets messing it up. Let's see what's wrong. So first I have a curly bracket starting after this. Okay, yeah, I had to close this one right away. And we have another one starting right here. That one closed right here, so this is unnecessary. So let's go and build and run again. Okay, now it's working. Did someone say stick? So this is a program we already seen it. Like we already seen how to create a function and a class, and when you call a class inside of the main function, how to do it, how to create object, and then when you call the function with the object, it's gonna do the work for the object, do the work for the function we created. Now this is for one thing, and here what we are going to see is we are going to see how to do this one with pointers. So this is for like regular integers and stuff, regular things, but if you want to do it with pointer, you have to do a little bit different. That's what we are going to see. Now let's look at how to do that. So first of all, I'm going to create a pointer. So to create a pointer, I'm going to do what I'm going to do is I'm going to just create a pointer right here, Sally, and for the pointer, what we do is we put an asterisk sign in front, and then Sally pointer. I'm going to name it as Sally pointer. And we know that Sally pointer actually, pointer is actually a memory address, and for memory address we put and sign in front of anything we are trying to find the memory address of. So here we are trying to find the memory address of Sally object. So Sally object, we are not trying to find, like we are equating to memory object. So Sally object, and then that's it. It's similar to creating Sally object, but here we are doing it with pointer. Now once we have done this one, what we do is we do the same thing. Like again, you may think we can just copy this and call again, the pointer is going to do something, right? Let's try this one actually. So here I copy paste and see if the pointer works. Okay, this is like when I do this, it's not actually the pointer working, it's actually calling this one again. So it appears like this pointer is working, but to access the pointer, that's where we use this arrow member selection operator. So okay, let me say, okay, actually I named as object as well. So in order to see the error, it shouldn't be printing like that. If I do pointer, it shouldn't be printing. So the mistake I made here is like I should change this name Sally pointer, because I put Sally object, that's going to be automatically this, but what we created here is a pointer. So I put Sally pointer and then dot print grab. Does it work? So for pointer it doesn't work like that. You shouldn't put dot. For pointer you have to put arrow member selection operator. That's what the difference is. So this is where the arrow member selection operator is useful. When you're dealing with pointer memory address, that's when you use this arrow member selection operator. So once you have done that and build and run, now it works, right? Now it works. Did someone stick? Did someone says stick? So this is how we can access the class and print something using pointer. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video.